we are starting just now.
Yes?
No, I'm here. Okay, let's see how many people are online. See how many people are online. Okay, let's wait for it to go live. Let's wait for it to go live. Okay, there we go. So guys, in the long run, what we're gonna be doing is you'll have to come to the website euporiafx.com, and then under trading room you go to live, but you're gonna have to be logged in to be able to access the chat room, the live trading section. As you can see, I'm logged in there at the top, and then this is only for paid members. If you're not paid, then you won't be able to access the investment chat room and the live streaming. So yeah, we'll take it from there. I'm gonna be doing a weekly analysis on the markets. Everything I do it from scratch. You get to see what you need to do as well from scratch when you open the charts. Let's start off with USD JPY. Price action throughout, no indicators being used. All I work with is price actions, trend lines, support and resistance, horizontal and trend lines. That's all I work with. And then I like to work with higher time frames because I invest in the markets. I'm not a scalper. I'm not always playing with the markets. I only visit the markets when there's an opportunity. I only trade when there's a great opportunity. When there's nothing good showing, then you won't find me in the market. So USD JPY, let's look at what's happening here. As you know, over the weekend we just had the government shutdown in the US. But looking at the markets, they're not really affecting the dollar negatively. So I guess that wasn't a bad thing after all for the dollar. Or maybe it's because the dollar has been falling for such a long time. Because if you look over the dollar pairs, you will see that, like if you say against the euro, the dollar has been strong today against the euro. If you look at the pound against the dollar, okay, here the dollar was weak, but I guess it's because in average the pound is the one that was strong. If you can check, look at the gold, you see that the dollar was strong here, right? Okay, so now we can already conclude that the dollar was not strongly affected by what happened over the weekend, which is the US shutdown. So now, what does the week hold for us? Let's see. We only focus on support and resistance, which can either be horizontal or trend lines. As you can see, this is a trend line, right, on a weekly time frame. This trend line, if we zoom in, we will see, we expect the price, you see the price didn't really touch it, but it really turned at more or less by the trend line, going all the way up. The dollar, guys, has been gaining strength after so much losses. If you see the week before and the following week, it was time, it's about time for the dollar to gain some ground. It's about time for the dollar to gain some ground. It's been falling for some time. In overall, I expect the dollar to break past this trend line and go all the way down to here. Let me make it a zone. See where it turned here last time, or here. See where it turned here last time. Remember, this is a weekly chart. I expect the dollar to break past this and come here, but I don't expect it to happen now. I expect it to first gain some ground going up, and then eventually when it goes down, we should see it coming to this level. So right now, from where we are, I don't really see much opportunities. I don't really see anything much to say we can decide on what we should do. But if you see on an H4, you can see that there's a good buy opportunity here. As you can see, it's a good buying opportunity on the USD JPY based on what those who are already members of Euporia FX know how the markets work. And as you can see, if the price comes here, expect the price to pick up from there and go all the way up. If the price comes here, expect it to pick up. As you can see, it would have formed what? A double bottom. You see that? It would have formed a double bottom should the price come back here. Look at that. You see, we'll have a W formation if the price comes back here. It will be a good time to buy. Again, if you look at it, it will be touching the trend line, which you can best see it on the weekly time frame. Oh, these things look messed up, but yeah, what I'm saying is when it comes back here, it will be touching the trend line, and then on an H4, it would have been forming what? A double bottom. So based on that, I say this will be a good risk to reward when buying from when the price comes back here. From there, let's look at the next pair. Someone is busy asking for the link here. Where else I posted it on the web. I said you must just go to YouTube and search for the company name. Okay, so now let's just look at the Euro USD. As you can already see, the price, this is a daily time frame. The price is already struggling to break past this level where it is currently. This helicopter is busy making noise here outside, but let it pass. Look at this. Do you see where we are? Price is already struggling to break past this point, so this is a good selling opportunity. For how many days? If we check,